Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how to create this Ariana Grande inspired braided high ponytail. Recently, Ariana Grande has worn this style multiple times in different variations. For this video, I will show you how to create the ponytail with 3 braids. But if you want to do just the middle one, you can just skip the 2 braids on the sides. To start this style, I brushed the hair and sprayed with water to make it more manageable. Then you want to take a section from the hairline in the middle of the forehead. This section will make the first braid in the hairstyle. You simply want to create a 3-strand braid and tie it off with an elastic. Then you want to do the same thing for the hair just above the ears. Make sure that when you braid, you keep the hair in an upward direction, because the braid is ultimately going into the ponytail. So if you braid the hair down, it might get bumpy when you pull it into the ponytail later. I find that keeping the doll between my knees gives me the best grip when I'm styling the hair. When you finish the braids, you can start creating the ponytail. For the illusion of this really long high ponytail, you want to section off the perimeter of the hair from the entire front and the back of the hair. Except for a little strand in the middle back. This will be the spot where all of the other hair will come down later. So this is what I've sectioned right now. The entire hairline except for that little piece in the back. Now you want to check if the 2 sections are equal. In my case, the front section was a little thinner, so I just take some extra hair from the doll's part line to even it out. Then you want to just twist or braid the back section out of the way. To make it easier to smooth out the ponytail, I don't incorporate the braids just yet. I comb the hair out really well and smooth it out with my hands, creating a really tight ponytail that I wrap with an elastic. Now I take an extra elastic and bring in the braids as well. I undo the ends of the braids that are showing in the ponytail and wrap around a section of hair around the base of the ponytail. To keep this strand in place, I take another elastic band and tie it around the ponytail, making sure to hide it under the strand of hair I just wrapped. Then you want to just take down the section you previously twisted out of the way and brush the entire ponytail to blend the 2 sections together for this super long Ariana Grande inspired ponytail. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me your favorite Ariana Grande song. If you try out this look on your own dolls, make sure to share it on Instagram, tagging me at TheDollBoy. See you next time!